Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm sharing my honest VideoFX AI review 2025, and I'm genuinely shocked by what this thing can do. This experimental Google tool transforms text prompts into cinematic video clips with stunning realism. I've tested it extensively, and the results are mind-blowing for content creators, marketers, and filmmakers. What sets VideoFX AI apart is its understanding of cinematography. You can specify 18mm lens or shallow depth of field, and it actually delivers. The VO3 model creates 60-second videos at 1080p with remarkable temporal consistency, meaning objects stay coherent throughout the clip. Currently available in private preview across 110 countries, you'll need to join the waitlist through Google Labs. While competitors like Runway and Pika offer similar tools, VideoFX AI's output quality and cinematic controls are currently unmatched. Whether you're prototyping ideas, creating marketing content, or exploring new creative directions, this tool could revolutionize your workflow once it becomes widely available.